This is a brand new 2013 Toyota Prius V. This four-door sedan has a continuously variable transmission and an inline four-cylinder engine. Its top features include hybrid Synergy drive, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.